Hello guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit on subscribe button, like and share. Today I'm going to show you how to make purple sweet potato mash and steak. First, we're going to cut the mushroom. So this is fresh mushroom. You just cut and slice it. Do it however you like it, okay? So I'm using an organic mushroom. So here you go. It's ready. Here's my steak and mushroom. Alright, so first we're gonna make the sauté mushroom. The recipe is very simple. You just need to heat it up, your pan, and put in butter. Make sure the pan is hot, and then just add in all the mushrooms in the pan, okay? You just leave it for a while, as long as you don't burn it. You just stir it once in a while until you can see there will be water coming out from the mushrooms, okay? And then you have to wait a little bit until it's dried, okay?
Sweet potato mash, okay?
So I have already baked the sweet potato in the oven over an hour. Well, you can steam or you can boil it if you want. So the ingredients is very simple. You just need a potato, you need milk, you need butter, and just a pinch of salt. That's all. You just mix it well and stir, and it's up to you how do you want to do it. Like me, I like it a little bit more creamy and tasty, so I put a little bit more butter. Almost ready, so let me just put it on my plate. It looks so tempting despite the color. And here's the sauté mushrooms, and next is a little bit of fresh spinach, baby spinach, and there you go, my steak. Right, okay, there you go. Last but not least, I'm gonna put a little bit of butter on top of the potato. Right, there you go. Makan-makan.